5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Start the basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. Follow. 5, 6, 7. Then a prep her in on 1. Right hand up. 1. Turn her over the head and hammer lock right away. 1.5 right. Guys, swing on 2. 2. Let go. 3. We're going to back charge. 5. Left hand on top. 6, 7. Now we're going to do a salsa step. So left hand over the head. 1. Step back. 2. On 3. Step to the other side. 3. So now we're going to step together on 5. Start going back to back. 5. 6, and on 7 we look at 7. So I'll just mark my time in place. So now on 1, I'm going to be prepping to the side, left hand up. 1. I'm going to give her a quick left on 2, come together on 3, switch to my right hand. So now I'm going to prep to the right. 5, turn her on 6, 7. Now I'm going to keep turning her on 1, 2, 3. Follow her 5, 6, 7. Open up, drape on 1, bring her forward on 2. Give her a double turn, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Cross by me. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1.5 right. Forward 1. Turn 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Stop and step. 1, 2, 3. Now turn to the right away. 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to step to the side on 1. Turn to the left and place on 2, 3. Now step to the side again on 5. Now keep turning out 3 spins from here. So we're going to go 6, 7. That's 1. 1, 2, 3. I'm walking it out. 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do a walk through 2.5. Back forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Cross ready. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hi guys, it's Angie from Casa Salsa. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our other free videos with tips and tricks for the dance floor. Make sure you subscribe to the link below so you don't miss any of our new upcoming content. And if you look in the description, you'll find a link to our website to get access to exclusive content. And if you want to take a live class with us, you can do so as well. Link on the description. See you next time.